If you're in Ireland and aiming for a critical skills employment permit, this is the video that prevents refusals. Most people lose months not because they are ineligible but because they misunderstand one key rule. Let's answer the most common critical skills employment permit questions properly based on current rules. Can I apply for a critical skills employment permit myself? Yes, you can. Either the prospective employee or the employer can submit the application. However, in reality, you cannot complete a CSEP without your employer's full cooperation. The application requires an employment contract, company details, and employer documents. So even if you are named applicant, your employer must actively support the process because they need to fill in their part of the application as well. Do I need a labor market needs test like the general employment permit? No, a labor market needs test is not required for a critical skills employment permit in Ireland. This is one of the key advantages of a CSEP, but it does not mean the process is easier. Eligibility and documentation requirements are stricter. Does the 50-50 rule apply to critical skills? The 50-50 rule exists within the employment permit system. While there are exceptions and waivers in certain circumstances, you should never assume exemption. Your employer should always confirm their workforce compliance before applying. Can my spouse or partner work in Ireland if I have a CSEP? Yes, eligible spouses and partners of CSEP holders can receive immigration permission that allows access to the labor market without needing a separate employment permit. The exact stamp depends on the ISD registration. When can I move to stamp 4 on a CSEP? You are eligible to apply for stamp 4 after completing 21 months of employment in the state on a critical skills employment permit, provided you meet the conditions and your employment remains valid. Can I change employers on a CSEP? Yes, but timing and process matters. If this is your first employment permit, you're generally expected to remain with your initial employer for at least 9 months. After that, a change of employer application must be submitted through the employment permits online portal. The new role must fall under the same occupation category and your existing permit must still be valid. What causes refusal on critical skills permit? The most common reasons are basic salary not meeting the threshold, contracts shorter than 2 years, duties not matching the eligible role, employer documentation issues, or inconsistencies across the application. A critical skills employment permit is not just a job approval, it is a long-term immigration decision that requires planning and accuracy. If you do not live in Ireland or you're not planning to move here, this video is not for you. This page is dedicated to people living in Ireland who need clarity around immigration, applications, permits like CSEP and GEP. Every situation is unique and some cases may require one-on-one consultation. I've created this page because throughout my own journey, there were too many gray areas and no clear answer. I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned and follow for more.